What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rick Scale RC. Today's video is going to be a part 2 update to the Brute build. Got a lot done in the last couple weeks. Got fenders put on. Got the grill mounted. Got these fender supports in. Lots of bracing and supports on the inside of the body. Like I told you guys in the last video, the body being a little brittle, I had some cracking issues and stuff like that. So rather than continue to mess with it and risk anything else happening, and then also once it's done, I want it to be able to absorb, an impact or a rollover. So pretty much line the whole inside of it with 080 styrene. This goes up the side of the hood here, which also ties into these fenders. So I think, that'll give it a lot of support. I mean, the body's a lot more solid now. So I'm happy with it. But I got some clips of that stuff going on, so I'm going to let you guys check that out. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. But before we do that, I just want to give a shout out to my buddy JD. I got his stickers in. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And also, RC Basher Boy. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Definitely go check them out. They make great videos. So, with that being said, let's check out some work being done on the Brute. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so here I am. I'm working on fenders. And, what I started out with, as a fender blank, is I just took a piece of styrene. I think it was like, it's 080 thickness, but it was like 2 inches wide by about 6 inches long total. And then I cut all of the fender off of the Jeep body. And the plan is now, well, this one I still have to cut this one, but this is what it's going to look like afterwards, after I cut it out. And then, as you can see, it's just going to get attached. And there's still a lot of work that's got to be done to them, but that's where I'm at with these fender process right now. So I'm going to get that other fender cut out, and then we'll work on getting them mounted. Okay, so I got both of the fender blanks cut out to the shapes that I want. They're gonna get glued on like so. And then once these are glued on and the glue is good and dry, the plan is to start building off of these. I'm gonna thicken them up a little bit, and we're also gonna run this tube along the edge of them. Okay guys, so as you can see, got both the fender blanks cut out and glued to the body. So what I'm working on now is, well, let me tell you, the plan is we're going to double up this material to beef it up a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is, the new approach is I'm going to take this half moon stuff and cap the end. or the edge rather. So what I'm working on, I've already done the bottom half of this side. Just cut out a piece, double it up, just to double the thickness up. So I got this piece ready to go in. So I'm going to get that glued in, and then we'll get started on these tops. Got them doubled up. And what I'm going to do now is, on the inside, you know, they're only attached at this seam right here for about as wide as the body is. So, I mean, as you can see, I'm holding it by the fender. It is nice and rigid, but I want a little bit more support. And also, like I explained in the last video, the body is a little bit on the brittle side. In case of, well, when an impact happens on one of these fenders, I want to give it a little bit more support. So to add to this anchor point here, what I'm going to do is on the inside, and I've already cut these strips. These are like 3.5 inches long by 1/2 inch wide, and we're going to lay these in here like so, and that'll help with the support of the fenders and also give me something to work off to build the inner fenders. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these pieces glued in, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see, got the inside strips glued in, so they're attached to the inside of the hood as well as the fender at the seam here. I liked it so much, I cut out this little triangle piece, added that in there, and then I also cut out these longer pieces that kind of go up the cowl section and then down underneath the doors. I'll probably go with some more on the back side too, but I didn't want to go too crazy because I still have to do the floors and a transmission tunnel and stuff like that, so I'll hold off on that. But for now, like I said, this stuff has really helped. The body's a lot more rigid now, so I'm happy with that. That worked out well. Alright, welcome back guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. So I'm going to have some parts rolling in on this. The gear reduction unit and the transfer case are going to be in soon. So be doing a video on getting that stuff installed. And once that stuff is installed, we can start working on the firewall, the floors, and then start getting interior stuff done. And I should also have, the stuff here for the rear shocks so we can start the bed. Real excited about that. I'm looking forward to doing that stuff. And then also, as you guys see here, I got some tape. The original body does not come with door frames. You know, a Jeep door has window frames. And this doesn't have it because it doesn't come with the top. So I'm playing with some ideas, trying to decide what I want to do. I can't decide if I want to just cut the door off and have no doors, or make a tube door, or just cut it here and do like a half door. Bull Gear suggested maybe putting a bar in here somehow. So I might play with that idea, I'm not sure, but that's what the tape's for. So, we'll see. Some ideas to play around with. But that's all for now. See you guys on a part 3. Thanks for tuning in again, and thanks to all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. Take care.